Good morning, dear students. This is chemistry period, and today we have to learn about the characteristics of the particle of matter. Okay, today we have to learn about the characteristics of particles of matter. There are three basic characteristics, which are: first is the particles of matter have space between them. Okay, first characteristics is particles of matter have space between them. Second characteristics is the particle of matter are continuously moving. Okay, the particles of matter are continuously moving. And third one is the particles of matter attract each other. Okay, particles of matter attract each other, but this all activity we have to discuss with the help of some activities. Okay, when we perform this activity or we discuss the activity, we'll better understanding the main concept. Okay, so let's see this activity. See, this is the first one, that the particles of matter have space between them. Okay, so this is we already discussed, but one more time having a look. Okay, have a look. See what is the exactly activity. We have to take the beaker first. We have to take the beaker like this. Then we have to add this some water up to certain level like this. We have to add a certain water over there up to certain level. Then we have to dissolve some salt or sugar in it. Okay, then with the help of glass rod we have to stir it properly. Then what happened next? The salt is completely dissolved, but the level of water is not changing. Still the level we saw here exactly like the before. Okay, what this is why this is happening? Because this is because of the particles of salt get in to the space between the particle of water. Okay, water के particles में जो space है, we know that the particles of matter have space between them. So we take here example water. अगर हमने water का example लिया, matter, that means the water. So the water also having space between them. Then when we add salt, when we dissolve it properly, after dissolving the level is not changing. Why this is not changing? Because the water molecule or water having these spaces between them, and this salt particles are fits into that spaces, and the level we saw is the same as we saw in before. Okay, जो लेवल हम देख रहे हैं वो पहले की जैसी है जो बिफोर थी. Okay, that is the first activity. Now second one, second is the particles of matter are continuously moving. Okay, second characteristics है the particles of matter are continuously moving. particle matter के जो particle है वो continuously moving होते. So for this there is activity. We have to take some water in a beaker. First we have to take here also beaker. हमें पहले beaker लेना है. Then we have to add the water over there. Okay, then put a drop of blue or red ink like this. We have to add the drop of ink, whether it is red or blue. Okay, then what happened? This ink slowly along the side of beaker. Okay, यहाँ से हमें ink डालनी है. Then what happened? Then what we saw, leave it undisturbed for a few hours. हमें इसको रखना है कुछ टाइम के लिए. Okay, undisturbed. Then the ink spreads evenly throughout the water. Then what happened? Ink spread automatically throughout the whole water. पूरे पानी में जो ink है, one drop of ink automatically spread over the all water which is present in the beaker. Okay, due to the movement of particle of water. Okay, why this is happening? The one drop of water, when we one drop of ink when we add in the half filled beaker, तो पूरा बीकर का वाटर जो है कलरफुल कैसे हो जाता है आफ्टर सम टाइम? बिकॉज द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर आर, दैट मीन्स वाटर, द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ वाटर आर कंटिन्यूसली इन अ मूविंग. Okay, and also the ink particles are already obviously in moving state. So both particles are moving, and then this ink is totally spread into the whole beaker. Okay, see this image. The particles are continuously moving in all around, okay, like this. The intermixing of two or more different types of matter on their own is called as diffusion. See the definition of diffusion. What is the definition of diffusion? Intermixing of two or more different types of matter on their own, okay. Diffusion means what? Diffusion means the intermixing of two or more type of matter, okay. दो या दो से ज़्यादा टाइप्स के मैटर, these are mixed with each other, that means the diffusion. Here which particles, which matters are mixed with each other? Water and ink. These two matters are mixed with each other, and this is there is a diffusion state, okay. There is a formation of diffusion state. Now the third characteristics is the particles of matter attract टू ईच अदर. थर्ड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है हमारी कि मैटर के जो पार्टिकल्स है वो दैट आर अट्रैक्टेड टू ईच अदर. सो फॉर एक्सप्लेनिंग दिस कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स वी हैव वन एक्टिविटी. विच वन इज? लेट्स सी. टेक आयरन नेल, piece of chalk, rubber band, okay. Try breaking them by hammering, cutting or stretching. If we have three objects, one is iron nail, chalk and rubber band, हमें उसे ब्रेक करना है आइदर हैमरिंग, कटिंग और स्ट्रेचिंग. उसे हैमर करके, स्ट्रेच करके या कट करके हमें ट्राई टू ब्रेक देम. सो लेट tell me which one is a break first, chalk, iron nail or rubber? Obviously the chalk is break first, because chalk is one of the matter and the particles of matter of chalk are loosely bound like this, okay. Like this particles जो है chalk के वो loosely bound है like this, and these particles are easily break, okay. These particles are easily we separate, and this chalk is easily broken, and the particles of iron are very tightly binding, okay. बहुत ज़्यादा closely bound होते हैं वो particles. This is the image of iron particles, okay. So these are, see properly, these particles are very tightly binding, and hence when we hammer, when we cut, this iron nail is not break, okay. So that's why the chalk is easily breakable and iron nail is not. Why? Because these particles are tightly binding, okay. And let's one more time see this activity. हमें क्या करना है? आयरन नेल लेना है, पीस ऑफ चॉक एंड रबर बैंड, ओके. ट्राई ब्रेकिंग देम बाय हैमरिंग, कटिंग और स्ट्रेचिंग. इट इज़ ईजी टू ब्रेक चॉक. ऑब्वियसली चॉक को हमें ब्रेक करना बहुत ईजी होगा एज कम्पेयर टू आयरन नेल. दिस इज बिकॉज वाई द पार्टिकल्स इन आयरन नेल आर हेल्ड टुगेदर विथ ग्रेटर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन दैन द रबर एंड चॉक, ओके. जो आयरन नेल के पार्टिकल्स है वो हेल्ड टुगेदर विद द मोर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन एज कम्पेयर टू द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ chalk and rubber, okay. So these are all about this characteristics of particles of matter. Three characteristics है. First is the particles of matter have space between them. First characteristics है हमें the particles of matter have space between them. The second characteristics is the particles of matter are continuously moving, and third characteristics is the particles of matter attract each other, okay. Now in next class we will discussing the states, different states of matter. That means which states are we already learnt in previous classes. That states are solid state. The states are divided into three: solid, liquid and gaseous. These all states we will discussing in next class. So here we stop.